Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about Harbor Freight and welding tables, so let's get into it. Alright, here's the box. Some people like to see all what's on the box, and you can see the different ways you can adjust it. Like I said, it is from Harbor Freight. And here it is. It's not bad. I mean, it's Harbor Freight. So I think it was like 60 bucks. It's usually 89, I think. And I got, I don't know, 20-25% off. Took it down to 60 or 60 something. 60 and some change. It's not bad. It's not as good as I was expecting or hoping, but it's not as bad either. I mean, technically it's not really big enough. I need a big welding table, but at least it is metal. It's a lot better than welding over here on my wood table like I have been. So we'll see how this works out. And like I said, let me come back over here and show you how it adjusts. You can see the little yellow knob there, or handle. There's one on both sides of it. As you can see here, there's one here and there's also one over here on this side. You loosen them and you can adjust it. And it also folds up. These legs fold together, and then you fold the table down like that, and you can store it out of the way. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. I hope you liked it. It was just a little welding table from Harbor Freight. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.